So they put $1 million of Bitcoin up for free for people to get, and there's currently $515,000 left. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Bitcoin from btc.day. Now, this is a site built by Block or Square or Cash App. It's all the same company. And they're calling it a faucet, basically incentivizing you to use their products and get some free Bitcoin in return. You can come to the FAQ and see some information here. You pretty much just want to go to how do I participate. So there's going to be 3 ways to earn this Bitcoin. The first way, which I'll show right here, you can buy $10 of Bitcoin and it's just going to send you $5 extra of Bitcoin for free. You don't need to do anything other than that. You'll see the notification pop up at the top of my screen here. Bam. The next 2 ways are going to be more difficult, and this one, the second one, is actually like bugging for me. It didn't work. But basically, if you spend $1 at a retailer that accepts Bitcoin through their little Square payment system, you spend $1 and you get $25 free. Now, as you can see, I tried this and it didn't work. They didn't send me the $25. So I don't know what's up with that, because it says you can do all 3 of these. Now, the third one is going to be the most difficult because you need like the BitKey app and maybe their BitKey hardware. But basically you buy or transfer $50 and then it's going to give you $50. I haven't tried that one, so I also don't know if that works well, but it is there for you to try if you want. Hope you guys enjoyed this, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.